Hey guys, Gaurav back with another video. So in today's video I will do the unboxing of this Portronics power bank. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank. So let's begin. So guys, this is the box for this Portronics power bank, and here it says Portronics, that's the branding, and it says Power Wallet 10, that's a 10,000 mAh power bank, and on this end it says easy to carry 10,000 mAh, and it has a dual port and indicator also, and on this end it says it's compatible with all 5V devices like this tablet, smartphone, digital camera and gaming consoles, and the pricing of this power bank on Amazon is about rupees 1400. So let's start the unboxing. So we have a opening tab over here, so I can see this is the power bank. It's a 10,000 mAh black color power bank, and it's actually very light. You can also get this in 20,000 mAh, but this is the 10,000 mAh power bank, and we have a on off button over here with indicating light. So yeah, this has branding, and we have two ports, USB ports, and one for charging this power bank. And yeah, let's see what comes inside the box. So let me just open this tray. Okay, we just get a USB cable to charge this power bank. So yeah, that's the things inside the box. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video of unboxing of this Portronics power bank. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.